We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all unity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this is 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves the Constitution. There are 22 parts of the Constitution and 12 schedules. Part 1 talk about the Union and its territory. Article 1 name of the territory of the Union and of its states, its Union of its states and territory. 2 new states. Article 3 old state formation. Article 4 talks about the state that any laws referred to the in Article 2 and Article 3 and amendment schedule 1st and 4th. Second talk about citizenship 5 to 11. Article 5 domicile born in India, parents who were lived in India, ordinary residents of India. Article 6 talk about the migrated person who comes from Pakistan or undivided uh, India. Article 7 return from POK. Article 8 PIO. Article 9 voluntary acquired citizenship of foreign. Article 10 Indian citizens subject to Parliament. Article 11 power to make provisions Parliament. Part 3 from 12 to 35 fundamental right. Article 12 definition. Article 13 amendment violated fundamental right, then it will be automatically repealed. Article 14 to 18 right to equality. 14 says about equality before law. 15 race, caste, gender, birthplace. 16 equal opportunity in work. Article 17 untouchability. Article 18 abolish the title. Right to freedom 19 to 22. Freedom 19 freedom of speech and expression. 19A speak. 19 to unite. 19.3c make union. 19.4 move. 19.5 reside and settle in any place of India. 19F profession. 9 talk about the offences. 21 says violation of law. Then any man can be punished if there is violated law. 2 talks about double jeopardy. 23 not to compel witness against himself. 21 talk about the protection of life and personal liberty. 21A right to education. 6 to 14 year of child. Talks about the arrest and detention. 22(1) why he arrested legal advisor. Why he arrested and legal advisor. 22 to 24 के 24 hours magistrate present in the presence of magistrate. 22 part 3 says subclass 3 not for the foreigners. Right against exploitation talks about 23 and 14 human trafficking in 23. 24 talk about the prohibition of the employment of child below the 24 year in hazardous places. To 18 talk about the freedom of religion. 25 talk about the profession, practice and propagation. 26 manage religious affair. 27 free tax in payment of religious. 28 talk about to attend it. to 30 culture and educational right, 29 interest of minorities, 30 education for minorities. 31 talk about the right of property which were repealed, and this is given in 300A article with amendment of 44th in 1978. 32 remedies of the constitution which was soul of the constitution set by the Bhimrao Ambedkar. 33 parliament modify the application of forces. 34 restrict the right while the martial law. 35 legislation to give effect the provisions of this part. And Part 4 DPSP, which was adopted from Ireland, 36 to 51. 36 definition, 37 application, 38 welfare of state, 39 policy followed by state, 39A equal justice and free legal aid, 40 panchayat, 41 education and work, 42 human condition, 43 living wages, 43A workers manage industry, 43B promotion of cooperative societies, 44 uniform civil code, 45 education below age 6 year, 46 education for SC and ST, 47 nutrients, 48 agriculture and animal husbandry, 48A protection of environment, 49 protection of monument, 50 separation of power, 51 protection of international peace and security. 4A talk about fundamental duties. 51A fundamental duties which was adopted by 42nd amendment 1976.